SOS is now 30,000 members and growing. We are quickly becoming the number one free source repository on the internet. At the end of the day, it's really nice when something you build continues to live. The company that acquires you usually doesn't have that same passion. And my passion for Harrow and now Source of Sources is to help people. Decision got acquired by private equity. Nothing good comes out of being acquired by private equity. Red Lobster got acquired by private equity and went bankrupt. They didn't go bankrupt because of a lack of shrimp. They went bankrupt because they were acquired by private equity. Private equity screws everything up. As the speed of technology increases, one of the things that goes away is the trust factor. The next 50 years of the economy is going to be run by the customer experience. But the key is that you want to create an environment of trust. And you do that by pitching on topic, and you do that by pitching correctly, and you do that by
Yes.
helping the reporter. And then that reporter says, you know what? I have a story. Let me call Peter. Let me call Mark. I've used them before and I trust them. It's all about
Yeah.
trust. It always has been.